Hi everyone, I'm Thomas from Indeco Design and Finishing Material One-Stop Solution Company. Will it be a headache when you search different finishing material suppliers from online and you don't know the sequence of finishing material installation for your new house? We're able to provide a service from interior design to customize finishing materials. First, we need to acquire your floor plan or blueprint so that we would know how big is the landscape we are dealing with. Next, we will discuss interior decoration style. Would you prefer modern, classic, minimalist, European style? After confirmation of our design proposal, you will need to spend 3 to 4 weeks to process the 3D renders for the whole area. And BOQ for finishing materials should be ready from us after that. When everything is confirmed, we will need another 30 to 45 days for production of customized finishing material. What's left should be loading and shipping. Our service is not done yet. We also offer our technology and help you go through installation when material delivered to your construction site. If you're interested in our service, contact us for more information. Thanks.